It's mother versus daughter, Ipsy Glam Bag. So if you want to tell us who's got the better variation, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And here's Bandit coming at us. That's what made me stutter. I didn't know what he was going to do. And these are our glam bags. So we just want to take a moment to welcome you if you're new and tell you to thank you for checking us out. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. And there's my beautiful Bandit.
Not very beautiful, actually.
I think he is.
I don't think
I think you're booty fuzz. Yes. This is the design. Very nice. It's got like a textured weave. And it's got this pretty little clasp right here. And let's see. I'll take my card out. I've got your card.
Oh, great.
I don't have glasses though. You're going to have to do the reading.
I don't... I lost my glasses.
Come on. I can't get up because Bandit's on my lap.
Yeah, I can't find it.
We can struggle, or you can just.
Fine. You want me to go first, or are you going first?
Yeah, you can go first.
A wake mask.
That is by Patchology. It's the Wake Up Call Energizing Sheet Mask. It is a deluxe sample, and the full size is how much?
Versatile.
Come on, stop it. Stop it.
Or CT.
4 count. How much is a 4 count?
17.
17 for a 4 count. I'm trying to put that your way more because I'm dying.
What?
What?
I didn't hear you.
So I'm going to put that your way more because I'm dying.
Okay.
All right, my first item is by What's Up Beauty, and they have some great palettes if you've never seen them. All right, this looks like it's a brown. Now, I did not choose. I forget about choice every month with this. All right, so here it is. And that is the Wind Glider Eyeliner Pencil in 02 Espresso. It is full size, and how much is that?
$19.
$19. Let's check this out, see how it works.
For 4 minutes.
Ooh, it's very creamy.
Ooh, cool.
All right, what do you got?
Give me a second. Alright, here we go. Nana tried to set an alarm, but it accidentally went to my phone.
Oh.
I did. Brushes.
Hey, look at that. I got brushes too. They're the same ones.
No, so we'll give them both away. I don't think we need any more of these. They're just plain brushes.
Oh, they're nice brushes.
I mean, I guess we can keep one then.
These are by Karma A Unique.
My bag smells weird.
And how much are these?
$39.
$39
For that?
$39
For that?
for each set of brushes.
That's how down smell.
Mm. Mm.
It
What you got next?
citrusy. There's 2 things in here. Jeez. 3. Yeah, Glass Skin Setting Spray. Mimosa Mist.
By Seraphine Botanicals. So this is going to be a deluxe sample. And no, that's full size with an MSRP of, that looks like $28 to me. Is that $28?
Yeah.
You gotta be kidding me. This little thing here is $28.
I actually lied. It's 38.
38?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, 38. This, and they're saying this is full size. I don't believe that, but I guess if they say it, okay. And I have, by Wing Me, I have a brow gel, and that is definitely a deluxe sample. So, what you got?
Blush from Ciate London. Let me open it up.
And that's a deluxe sample. It's the Glow 2 Illuminating Blush in Tempt Me.
Ooh. I actually really like that. It looks kind of orangish on here, but it's like a light pink.
Right, with some shine.
Yeah.
And I have, by Shayna B Cosmetics, this looks like it's a little mini lippy.
Yeah, it is. I saw it on the thing.
Okay. Yes, it's the Hibiscus Island. Ooh, that's a pretty color.
Yeah, I like that.
That's a pretty
Perfect.
color.
It's like a coral.
Yeah.
Ooh. I like that. That's mine now. You're never gonna see that again.
I mean, I will because the makeup's all.
Is that the strawberry shortcake lip thing?
No, it's my Glam Light. I think it's the candy floss.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Hydrating hair mask.
And that's by Goldilocks, and it's a deluxe sample. And my last item is by Laura Mercier, and this is the Translucent Pure Setting Spray. And here is how it looks. And I believe this says travel size on here. How much does it say it's worth?
$21.
$21. So stepping up your game, Ipsy. You're raising your prices, so you're stepping up your game. We like that. If these were the kind of bags we got every time, I would say like we're gonna keep this, but I don't know about that.
Oh, we're not keeping it?
Do you want to?
No, I was just asking. I don't care either way. I mean, I like the stuff I get in here, but
Yeah.
I'm completely understanding if we have to drop it.
Well, I just felt like you and I get the same stuff.
Yeah.
Month after month after month.
So we would drop one?
We could drop one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because, like, we still get good stuff in here.
Yeah.
And sometimes I'll even give away some of the stuff as gifts. So, but having both of them when you get a lot of the same stuff is kind of...
All right. So who had the better bag? We each got the brushes. We each got a setting spray. Mine is Laura Mercier and hers is Seraphine Botanicals. And I got an eye pencil, a lipstick, and a brow gel.
I got a hair mask, a face mask, and a blush.
All right, so who had the better variation this month? Let us know in the comments down below. I also have a code down below that will get you, I think it's a free gift if you order. And I don't think you have to order more than just 1 month, but I think you do get a free gift if you order. So check that out down below. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.